4-6, there are aircraft coming out of the hardened bunkers. They're trying to take off. Over.
4-6, roger. Hawkins, reference those 3 bunkers across from the main terminal. Use infrared and laser for Striker 2-2. That's it. Hold on them. Big hit.
This is Reaper 1. You got another fighter turning onto the runway now.
Good kill. That's the last one.
This is Reaper 1. I have 3 vehicles moving along the runway. This might be our HPT. Wait out. Shark 4-6. Stand by to engage if the target is verified. How? Copy?
Roger. Okay, Hawkins. Get ready to laser for Bulldog 3-3.
Reaper 1, Heavy 212. Be advised, you have a single aircraft approaching from the south at low speed, altitude 502. Do you have eyes on? Over. Roger. It's a helicopter. Looks like it's headed for the vehicles. Roger. You have 4-6 on station. 4-6, this is Reaper 1. We need them to get out of the car so we can verify it's our target. Stand by to engage.
Bulldog 3-3. We will laze for Gunrun. How copy?
Roger, solid copy. They're definitely PLR. You are clear to engage. You are clear to engage.
Paint the area. 3-3 is standing by. They're boarding the helicopter.
Roger, 2 seconds. Roger. We have individuals running. You are cleared to take them out too.
Roger.
Roger, 3 seconds.
Good kill. Good kill.
Roger, 4 seconds. Roger, 2 seconds.
On target. Nice shot.
Reaper 1, all call signs be advised. We have friendly units securing the airbase now. Negative of further ground attack. How copy?
Roger. Solid copy. Switch off the camera. Let's get back to the bump. Heavy 212. Shark 4-6 egressing out of target area.
Roger, turn to heading 040. Watch for traffic when feet are wet. 2 out.
Shark 4-6, you are approaching glide path, slightly out. Course correcting at 3 miles. Shark 4-6, 2 miles out.
Hook down.
Shark 4-6, got your hook down, looking good, you got the ball. Shark 4-6, on glide path, on course. Put them on.